Hi, hello. This is my practice today. The first practice linking sounds. English. Speak it. Write it. Read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. First you close it. Then you look it and put the key back in your pocket. Busy, workaday, run away, books and me. Category. Fill cup. Drink it cup. Drink it up. Drink it up. Wait a while. Wait a while. Walk a mile. Walk a mile. Meditate. 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 Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. And then live the dream. Live the dream. Learning English can significantly improve the life for many good reasons. English is a universal language. It's used and more than it's used in over 100 countries and on more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1 out of 5 people in the world can understand English. But most importantly, English enables you to get a better job. However, there are a lot of people saying I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work